Welcome back to Good Day Kentucky. Meteorologist Jordan Smith here on this Monday morning. Let's not go back to Sunday. Monday morning, here's a live look at Lexington, which you can see we are calm for now, but things are going to change as we head off deeper into this morning, especially during the afternoon and evening. This is a live look again, thanks to our Bluegrass Pacecare Skyview HDR camera network, and temperatures that are already deep into the 70s here just after 9 a.m. It's 78 here in Lexington, but feels like 80 because our dew point is setting at 72. Temperatures area-wide into the mid to upper 70s for all of us. 78 down in Monticello, 73 Somerset, and then 77, a popular number for all the sites there into portions of eastern Kentucky. And those dew points, again, when your dew point is this close to the actual temperature, that's lets you know we have a lot of that muggy air, so you feel it as you walk out the door, and it has a lot of storm energy available for these storms that are going to get going later today. So we are dry here in the short term, but that is going to change, and let's begin to track that out here on Futurecast. So a few showers to our north will continue to move on up towards into portions of Ohio and Virginia. And then as we head in between, say, the 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. time frame, we'll start to see some storms fire here into portions of central Kentucky. And then once they hit the I-75 corridor and really off to the east, they are going to kind of blossom. You can see those really getting strong there into portions of southeast and eastern Kentucky. And then as the actual frontal boundary moves through later this evening, we'll see a few more showers and rumbles of thunder move through, with conditions that'll be drying out into the overnight. But here we go with that severe weather outlook. We have that marginal risk, which is a level 1 from Louisville down to E-Town. We get here to Lexington, down to portions of Pulaski, Lake Cumberland area. We go up to a slight risk, which is a level 2. We go off in the most of eastern Kentucky is under that enhanced risk, which is a level 3 out of 5. But you can see this area here in the red. So down from Pikeville down to portions of Whitesburg there in Letcher County, Leslie County, portions of Knott County down there as well. You have been upgraded to a level 4 out of 5 moderate risk. And the last time one of those was issued here in eastern Kentucky was all the way back on April 3rd, 2018. So it's been over 5 years since we've seen one of those issued into eastern Kentucky, and we are seeing all modes of severe weather on the table. Damaging winds are likely. Some of the wording from the Storm Prediction Center is saying that we could see hurricane-force winds with these storms of 70 to 90 plus mile an hour. That's not tornado winds, that's just straight line winds. Also, a few tornadoes are also possible, especially to the south and east, and then some isolated large hail and torrential rains all on the table. So if we break down those threats one by one, we can see that the tornado threat is now enhanced. You see that threat comes all the way to the Lexington Metro. The hail, not worried so much about it. This is mainly a wind event with some tornadoes as well. And look at the new outlook for the winds. We have a newly issued, with that moderate risk comes a hatched high chance of winds over 70 miles an hour for the south and east. Also, they're going to provide us with a lot of rain over the next 4 to 5 days. We're dealing with 1 to 3 plus inches. This is coming today and then once again on our Thursday. But again, today, breezy with scattered storms developing late, winds that could gust upwards of 20 to 30 miles an hour tonight. Storms ending with temperatures into the low to mid 60s. 7-day forecast shows once we get past the severe threat today, we're mainly dry Tuesday into Wednesday. Temperatures in check into the low to mid 80s. And then we have another threat for some strong thunderstorms, more heavy rain Wednesday night into Thursday. And then as we get off into the end of the week, into the weekend, we'll start to see just more scattering of showers with high temperatures into the low to mid 80s.